Singular, plural animals. For plural nouns, we usually add S on the end. For example, a giraffe, giraffes. A monkey, monkeys. The verb changes if the noun is singular or plural. What is it? It is a dog. What are they? They are dogs. What is it? It is a cat. What are they? They are cats. What is it? It is an elephant. What are they? They are elephants. What is it? It is a pig. What are they? They are pigs. What is it? It is a snake. What are they? They are snakes. What is it? It is a rabbit. What are they? They are rabbits. Some plural nouns are irregular. Here are some irregular animal plurals. Deer, deer. Moose, moose. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Mouse, mice. It is a deer. They are deer. It is a moose. They are moose. It is a fish. They are fish. It is a sheep. They are sheep. It is a mouse. They are mice.